Yes. This is, I think it's Brazil asking for this one. So, okay, so I'm stopped right here. I'm going to do, just wipe this one quick so it won't messy. And I am going to using my a little cute is portable LED dry, but I'm not gonna dry right here on the top of this because I'm gonna key all of my gel. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna key it outside, or either I'm put the cap on or key it outside. So just quick flash here. Oh my god, I have to show you all. It's so amazing. It's so like glow in the backlight. All right.
Sorry, I'm gonna cure mine real quick.
It's neon.
Oh, it does glow.
So
really awesome.
wipe it off really quick. You see that how it's clean, and I move on to the yellow. So I'm gonna move on this side so then both Facebook and Instagram can see me.
Oh, you got two?
Yeah. Two color?
I got one out.
It's okay.
Let's see. I got two.
You know what? Even with this, it's not done anything yet. It looks so cute already. It's like really is springy. And then you can do exactly the same like this for Valentine too. Like using just a hot pink and do it for Valentine. So now I'm going to key it, flash key it quick. But I'm not going to key it right on the top of this because I'm going to key my 40 gel, the weaver gels away. So just make sure that you don't put it right in front of your gel painting, weaver gel, 40 gels, gel polish with the lids open. For pre-seasoned glue gels, condensed glue gels, you want to keep it away before you or flash key it because don't want any accidents. So should we do another one with weaver gels and we move on to the 40, or should we do one at a time? Oh, that looks really good, Vicky.
Thank you.
She's got a bit black and white.
It's actually